Number 13 says the radius of a circle is decreasing at a rate of 0.1 centimeters per second. So rate should show you you're talking about r, specifically dr dt. So these are related rates. And it's decreasing, so it's a negative 0.1 centimeters per second. In terms of circumference, so we're going to have the answers in C, not with R, but in C, because you don't want it in terms of R. They told you in terms of circumference. What is the rate of change, so d something dt, of the area, okay, of the circle in square centimeters per second? So this means the area is centimeters squared per second means it's the velocity. Alright, so we need to find dA dt, so we need what is the A function of the circle. So we know pi r squared is the area of a circle. And we need to start thinking about dreads. If I have my diagram per se, and then r are the rates. I've already identified the rate I don't know and the rate that was given. Okay. E is the equation that I'm going to be working with, which is right here. D is the derivative of the set equation. So I need to see right here, will I have, or am I given a dA dt, or will I need it? Well, I do need it, so I'm going to leave it in variable notation. Okay, dr dt. I am given that, so I'm going to also leave it in variable notation. So that A prime is equal to 2 pi r dr dt. We're in respect to time. That's why the derivative of r is not 1. It's dr dt. Okay? So now I'm going to look at this, and then I'm going to S substitute. Remember, don't substitute too early, because if you substitute here, you're not going to have a variable, so that dr dt will pop up. So A prime is dA dt. So let me rewrite it just a little bit so you understand what we're looking for. Once we find this, we have our answer that we're looking for. So I'm going to plug in negative 0.1 for dr dt. And I'm going to plug in a radius here in just a bit. And we don't have a certain radius, so I need a radius in terms of the circumference. So C is equal to 2 pi r, that's the circumference. So if I'm solving for r, it's like substitution, if you will. R is equal to C over 2 pi. That's what goes here for r. So C over 2 pi, those cancel, and you're left with negative 0.1 times C. B is the answer.